हेलो नमस्ते आप कैसे हो हाउ आर यू ऑल होप यू आर ऑल गुड enjoying your summer holidays. Yes, this is one of the products I have purchased on Meesho. This is my first order on Meesho online stores. You all know Meesho is for offers and deals. They are pretty good deals. You have got deals every day at 9 rupees store, 49 rupees store. Of course, you have stores for products less than 200 rupees. So as you see in the picture, this is one of the products I have purchased on Meesho. This is my first order. The delivery has taken 4 days after the order being placed. These are neem combs. Packing is good. You have a wide variety of products on Meesho. It is budget friendly. Women fashion, men fashion, and not only clothes or jewelry. You have grocery items as well. You can check out. But delivery charges are applicable on every order, though there's no minimum order. How is the quality of neem combs? Are they not looking sturdy? Of course, you all know it's good to comb your hair with this, right? Now, without any delay, we'll see how to order. Yes, let's get started now. As you see in the picture, first you have to click on the link. I'll provide this link also in the description box. You can check out. After clicking on the link, you'll be asked to choose the language. Whatever language is comfortable, you can choose. And after that, this is the home screen that appears. And you see here, referral code applied successfully is the message you get on the home screen. Now you click on account as you see on home screen. Log in with your phone number. Click on continue. After you click on continue, you'll be asked to fill some details as you see in the picture. Your mail ID, name, your address and all. After you finish filling all the details, you click on save. You'll be directed to the home screen. As I told earlier, you can see in the picture 9 rupees store, 49 rupees store. These are rocket deals that are available daily. You can check out. Is it not interesting to see 9 rupee products? Did any of you catch these deals? They're available daily at 8 p.m. You can grab them in 10 minutes because only 10 minutes of time would be given. As you see, the timer is on. You can buy them quick without any second thought because the deals would go off if you are not quick enough. Not only you can buy products on Meesho, but you can participate in contests. As you see in the picture, these are some of the contests and you will be rewarded for that with the Meesho credits. You can play this contest. You can go to the community tab and you see here, you have different categories here. As you see in the picture, you've got product zone, fun zone. You can participate in any contest. You just have to answer some questions. And not only that, if you're a reseller, you can get some reselling tips. And you have the opportunity to upload your posts. If you're an influencer, you can upload your posts on Meesho. As you see in the picture, you have to click on that. Click on plus icon and fill all these boxes. You give your title, add description, hashtag, and you can add the product as well if you want. And click on post. That's it, done. Okay, now we'll see how to place the first order on Meesho. As you see in the picture, you've got a wide variety of products. If you don't find any product, you can give in the search bar the keyword or product ID. If you want, you can go for voice search and product scanning to search for the product you want to buy on Meesho. Okay, click on the product you want to buy. You have a sort option. You can go for this. If you want low to high, I have put here. So this is available for 99 rupees. So how good to have this product, right? You scroll down and select the size. You've got 2 types of returns here. For easy returns, the price would be 99 rupees. And for defective return, the price would decrease to 95 rupees. It's your choice that you can make. I've selected here easy returns. Click on add to cart. Click on buy now. And after that, you see here your product added to your cart. Click on continue. After you click on continue, you can add your delivery address, contact details, and click on save address and continue. Now you'll be directed to payment page. Here all kinds of payment modes are available, including cash on delivery. You see here the offers that are available. Beside the payment modes, if you're going for a wallet, you have Google Pay, Phone Pay, and the offers relevant to that you can check out. Okay, now after choosing the payment mode, click on continue and make payment. That's it, done. Your order is placed on Meesho. So that's it all for today. If you have got any questions, you can ask me in the comment section. If you like the video, if yes is your answer, do subscribe Flying Skies One for more interesting offers and videos. Thanks for watching. Have a good day. Keep smiling.